How to add drop-down list in Excel? It's a really simple task. First of all, we have to have our list. Then we are selecting cell or cells to which we want to add our drop-down list. Then we are going to Data tab, and here we are looking for data validation command. And here we are allowing a list. And we have to just select our source. So we have to select range of list and press OK. And now we have a drop down list. And because our data selects our cells are in table, an Excel table, in whole column in the table, when we add new line into our table, we have a drop down list also. And even if we cut and paste our new data, the cells in the select column will also have drop down list. And in the newest Excel version, we have even lookup options. We have to just write the first letters, so for example Donald, and we can just press tab. It won't work when we start with a letter in the middle of the text, but when we just writing the first letter, this lookup option works in Excel.